Hi, this is Mariano from Fabric. In this video we will show you some new features from an old friend, our new sticker. This is the dashboard where you can see the features. You can play with it by going to new, load example, widget example, new sticker. I already have it loaded. So you can see it quite quickly from where I was. There are 4 new stickers and they seem similar, but they have a little bit of differences. The first one, and easiest one to spot, is this number over here. If you provide an ID field to the new sticker and there's an entry already on the new sticker with that ID, instead of only appending an entry on the top, it will look at that entry, put it at the top, update the time it was seen, and increment the count number. This is to not only display, as we see here, the last event, but to count how many times each event of each kind happened. The ID can be anything you find interesting. In this case, the counter is set, I think, on the country. But you can also see a little bit of difference between the colors of some of those. It's the second feature. Some customer of ours said, yeah, I look at the dashboard, but if I'm not close to the dashboard and I see a red entry at the top, I don't know if it's a new red thing or an old red thing, because they happen to have a lot of red things on the screen at the moment. So we added this feature that's called, we call it aging. So with time, if you enable this feature, the entries will get older, let's say, and getting older means the color being more gray, but still maintaining the root color of the entry. So in this way, if nothing happens and you have a red entry at the top, it will get grayer as time passes. So if you look at the dashboard and then you look at the dashboard 5 minutes after, and the entry at the top is red but gray, like we can see at the top bottom here, because we have events happening all the time, you know it's not a new entry, it's something that happened before. So you with a glance can know if there's something new and problematic happening. We will see now how this is configured. In this dashboard we have the four alternatives. No count, count means this number that increases, and aging. No count and no aging. No count, count but no aging, and count and aging. Um, let's see in the design. Let's see, the aging happens slowly, of course. It's not a fast thing because you may look at the dashboard every some minutes, but if we cut the input and we wait enough time, we will see that slowly but steadily the entries will start aging in this one. But as I said, you can see it easier if you go to the bottom. So this is the first feature, and the second one is the count. You to do that, you have to provide an ID, which we can, well, here is without ID, here is with ID. So you had to set the field ID to something. In this case we are setting it to country code, so every time the same country happens more than once, the entry for that country will go to the top, and increase the counter. And I think that's all for now. Let's go and connect again. Oh, I will show you how to enable this. The count is just, you have to just provide the ID, and if you provide it, it will work. And the aging, you create a new widget, you select new sticker, and you enable time changes color here, and it will work as I explained. It's a useful, or two useful features for people that are looking at dashboards for new information, and maybe useful for you too. If you have any feedback or questions, just contact us on Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube. Bye.